Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EURUSD. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit the ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video. Greetings, welcome to the daily technical analysis of the Forex market from the ForexPeaceArmy.com. Today the 4th of March, and we will continue to talk about the euro currency. Well, in the beginning of the research, just the first notification that's about the non-farm payrolls release that should happen during the today trading session. So be careful with it, because market has reached some resistance area and very unstable in the awaiting of these numbers. Okay, personally I prefer to not to have any positions during the macro data release, especially such strong as the non-farm payrolls. But if you are a day trader and you have entered the market somewhere in the beginning of the week, where after our weekly research somewhere right here, so I just can recommend just to tight stop your positions and you can hold it. But for the intraday traders, it's very difficult situation, because the data release is just a doom and gloom time, so you can market just can be very sloppy and easily can leak your stops, so be careful with it. Now let's shift to the research. First of all, this is daily time frame. Daily trend is strongly bullish, as you can see. Yesterday market has hit 139.75 area, continue move to the upside, so as we expected yesterday, and hit the monthly pivot resistance 1 at 139.63 area, so this area of resistance. Also market has hit some intraday targets that we have discussed a bit later, but currently it stands near the resistance. And I think that if you want to enter on the long side of the market, you need to wait some retracement to the downside, shell retracement, intraday retracement, because on the daily time frame market first hasn't hit yet any targets. Market hasn't hit 618 target from this ABC pattern, so it's just ahead of market, above the market, and market is not overbought, so it has enough of room to continue move to the upside. In these circumstances we can't count on some solid retracement, for example to 3.8 support from the whole swing to the upside. For that purpose market should reach some targets or should touch the overbought condition. Okay, so if you want to possess yourself on the long side of the market, I recommend you to use some intraday support resistance areas. But if you want it at all, because as I said, I prefer to not have any positions at the end of the week, first of all this Friday, and especially the release of the non-farm payrolls. Okay, now let's shift to the 4-hour chart. It's going to picture a bit more interesting, that daily time frame. First of all, if you remember this pattern that we have discussed yesterday, A, B, C bottom, right here 1618 expansion target from this A, B, C pattern. This is 100% expansion, 1618 expansion. So market has hit it. Also market has hit this weekly pivot, monthly pivot resistance 1 area. Okay, you can see that 4-hour trend is also bullish. This dash line, horizon line, this is the previous highs that market has taken out yesterday and hold above it. Okay, this dash line is just some kind of trend line that shows you some support, okay, that market has held during the previous week price action. Now let's take a look at the targets of the possible targets of the further move up. First of all, 140.33 that we have discussed, daily targets right here. So that's a piece of it, you can see. The more close target is from this A, B, C bottom pattern, 1618 expansion stance. So right 139.92. You can say that's 140 area roughly. So I think that market can hit it during today's trading session. Just market stands in the sun tight range. So if you want to possess yourself, you should wait for some retracement and pull back to the support. And I think that this area will be very nice for that. This is for our conference support 138.88, 138.87. just below this area 138.78 is weekly pivot resistance 1 that was previously resistance, now it could be like support. Okay, and you can see that this will be the break-even point for the 4-hour trend. Now it stands at 138.73. So if you want to enter on this level and place stop just below the 618 support from this swing to the upside, and below this low of this strong bar to the upside, okay, this will be absolutely suitable area, because if market will break this area to the downside, it will move below the previous highs 138.56, it will shift trend to the bearish, and it will totally erase this thrust up bar to the, okay, so this will be not bullish development, and placing the stop just below this, all this stuff, this will be absolutely logical. Okay, it's right area to place the stop. Also, as you can see, this possible trend line will be broken by the market if market will negate this previous move to the upside. So this context will allow you to enter on the market with the very tight stop, so it's a bit of 50 pips, with the target around 100 pips. 2-1 risk-reward ratio, so not bad possibility to enter on the market. But still, if you intend to trade today during the non-farm payrolls release, so be careful with that. Even if you will be right and market will continue move to the upside, it's definitely could leak your stops due to extreme volatility during the direct time of release. Okay, so be careful with that. So that being said, on the daily time frame, market hasn't hit yet the daily target around 140.33. Okay, but the fact that market is not overbought, it allows us to suggest that it can continue move to the upside. Okay, so we can count now on any solid retracement on the daily time frame due to these circumstances. Well, meantime, on the intraday chart, you can use such combination of the strong areas and important levels to position yourself on the long side of the market, because daily trend is bullish, 4-hour trend is bullish. You have no context to enter on the short side, because I do not see any bearish directional patterns currently that could allow us to trade on the short side of the market. So I think that area 138.80, 138.90 is very suitable for entering on the long side, with the stops just below 138.30 area, below this low of this strong bar to the upside. Okay, this very nice risk-reward ratio. The target is possible move at least 140 area. So good luck to you and be careful during the non-farm periods today.